What began as M&M Consultancy and Training Services evolved into M&M Compliance Training, a rebrand that reflects our focus on compliance, competence and credibility. Continuing the evolution of our purpose-built training centre, we have designed it to support mechanical compliance training under one roof. Our specialist grease hygiene training continues to be popular, and the introduction of immersive virtual reality scenarios for our Authorised Persons Pressure Systems course has been a great addition to our training. Everything we deliver is built around three principles: efficient, compliant and safe. We deliver authorised persons and competent persons training across key mechanical disciplines, aligned with current healthcare guidance and operational practice. Our courses are taught by industry experts, many still working within healthcare estates, ensuring training is current, relevant and grounded in real-world experience. Many of our programmes are SCQF mapped, delivering recognised qualifications. As we move into 2026, we now deliver FGAS Category 1 and Category 4 training from our national facility. We remain a one-stop shop for mechanical compliance training. Get in touch to book now.